Okay. That's it. I'll turn this purple. Hey, you need to go do something. Can pick her out because she's kind of got great area nose and very fine nose, but she's very cute. And she's got quite the white patch there, haven't you? She stands pretty, don't you? I mean, I called you things. Little purple nose, haven't you? Yes, a very fine nose. Hi, purple. What for? Because he's laying with his tongue sticking out as usual. Goes all the way because he has a nuts bite. Oh, and she thinks that's funny. She bark at it. You fasty girl, huh, puppy? You a fasty girl? Hi, fast. You're very cute. What is that about? What? You're dirty. You're a nasty girl. I have to give you ads and video of you look cleaner. Because you're not rolling. Yeah. You've been rolling, huh? Hi, Burpee. Hi. Oh, she is. What is that? You hear the water? And what's her hand? Black water. The little water fountain. And then there's one there. Still haven't that pond off yet. Okay, I guess that's enough for you, huh, Popey? Bye-bye.